Welcome to the assembly instructions video of this Mariyo walker by Funride. Tools required: pliers, screwdriver. Box of the walker includes Begin by taking the main body of the walker. Use the lock located beneath the walker to adjust its height to your preference. Flip the main body over and attach the wheels in their designated places, as shown. Next, position the seat in its place as illustrated. Push and lock the side seat buttons securely on both sides. Lock the front side of the seat as demonstrated. Use a screwdriver to open the battery compartment cover. Insert the batteries properly into the compartment. Attach the toy stand to its position, following the steps shown in the video. Insert both rattles into their respective slots as illustrated. Now, place the activity handle securely in its position. Unscrew and remove the plastic nut from the parental push bar handle. Attach the push bar handle to its designated spot as shown. Firmly secure the push bar handle using the plastic nut. Attach the sunlight protector to the parental push bar handle, as demonstrated. Use the lock located beneath the walker to adjust its height to your preference. Now the Mariyo walker is ready for your baby.